Hi everyone and welcome to Science Lab. The signs are happening because Lord Jesus Christ is coming. Every day we are looking at some of the great signs that are happening around us.
In this episode, we are going to look at some of the technological advancements in these last days.
AI people are some of the most crazy optimist people on this planet. This mass global automation is coming out of what was once a middle class, that is, a working class. We have an entire massive class of people worldwide who no longer are employable. These people can't get jobs.
In the old days, we would have the owners and the managers at the top of our pyramid. And underneath, 98% would be the worker bees making everything happen, so that the people at the top could benefit.
Now cut that worker bees in half. The bottom half are expendables. They don't have skills anymore for this modern economy. They're never gonna get a job. So what will happen to these people? And that class will get higher and higher.
So the AI people are talking about things like universal basic income. It would basically mean you get your income from the government. You are totally controlled by that government. Say goodbye to any last vestige of freedom that you ever thought you had. So thanks to AI guys for promoting universal basic income. But the problem is they rightly can't see any other option here, because what's happening is that the automation that is upon us, no one can stop this. People are no longer going to be necessary for the economics of the society. And what will be done with all those people? You have got a lot of people getting a little concerned about this. Will they try to wipe us out? Will they put us into the concentration camps? Will they simply have a zoning out with minimum welfare on video games and drugs, legal and illegal, getting fat, getting dumb, and just watching reruns of Three's Company for the rest of all time? That's probably where we are going. But the problem is they rightly can't see any other option here, because what's happening is that the automation that is upon us, no one can stop this. People are no longer going to be necessary for the economics of the society. And what will be done with all those people? You have got a lot of people getting a little concerned about this. Will they try to wipe us out? Will they put us into the concentration camps? Will they simply have a zoning out with minimum welfare on video games and drugs, legal and illegal, getting fat, getting dumb, and just watching reruns of Three's Company for the rest of all time? That's probably where we are going. A world in which population is being totally controlled, because otherwise you have a restless population. They start thinking for themselves. So you have to dumb down the education system. You have to dumb down by giving them awful nutrition, awful entertainment, awful news, and create basically a virtually fake society, fake world that they are living in, that keeps them just happy enough to keep going into this awful utopia that they are moving toward. And certainly dumb enough to keep moving along and accepting all this. That's really where we are going. Now the thing about this is, it is a fulfillment of the Christian prophecy of the second coming. All these wonderful optimists who talked about transhumanism, creating superhumans, do they honestly think that this is going to be the future for all 7.5 billion of us on planet Earth? If they actually believe that they need to read some good books on political economy and history and maybe psychology and understand just what a human race is. Human race is a small group of rapacious, dominating people at the top who will never ever voluntarily give up that privilege. So if anyone is so naive as to think that all humanity is going to benefit from this immortality, from the super genius, and even if that's a good thing, which probably is sin. Raymond Kurzweil said that in 50 years, the humans on Earth will be about 50 to 80% robotic and the recipe biological. The future, what we are going to see is a combination of human hybrid. We are going to be some of the last old-fashioned enhanced Homo sapiens. What we are moving into is a very scary world in which a very few people who can afford it will be literally superhuman. We are right now on the very edge of quantum computing and AI, and we are right there right now. And they are going to be implementing this. Well, no matter what we can do, it's going to happen. And we have to ask ourselves what is going to happen when this occurs. In 5 years, there are going to be hundreds of quantum computers everywhere. We can see a future where your social security number has changed. Many individuals working closely with in the development of these technologies warn against the implication of its creation and its potential suppose a real threat to humanity. Could this potential threat of a singularity somehow be prevented? Would we as creators even know what to look for within the vast amounts of coding and compartmentalized programs involved in its creation before it is too late?
Things are happening very fast around us as we least expect it. We think that it's just a technological development, but these are the forerunners of the mark of the beast. We would have never thought the mark of the beast would arrive in our lifetime. But like it or not, the fact is, it's right in the corner. Bible says that in the last days, the Antichrist will come to this world and introduce a universal mark of the beast.
And he causes all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and slave, to receive the mark on their right hand or on their forehead, and that no one may buy or sell except one who has the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name. So here is wisdom. Let him who has understanding calculate the number of the beast, for it is the number of a man, and his number is 666.
What is mentioned in the Bible that are going to take place in the end times are taking place in our lifetime. All this shows that indeed we are living in the last days. Lord Jesus Christ is coming again very soon.
Before we end the show, we would like to ask you a question from this episode. Will you accept this AI technology to become superhuman? Option A, yes. Option B, no. And option C, not sure.
Send us your answers to our email ID sciencelab@angeltv.org. If you have missed any of the episodes, don't worry, you can watch it again in our Science Lab YouTube page. But don't forget to like, share and comment on the video.
Ask your friends and relatives to watch the Science Lab so that they will know that we are living in the last days. Remember, signs are happening because Lord Jesus Christ is coming. Maranatha.